Lead settings and automatic lead capture in WeSend. In this video, we're going to talk about the leads feature inside WeSend. With this feature, WeSend can automatically save contact details from your Instagram DMs, such as phone numbers and email addresses. This means if someone sends you their phone number or email address inside a direct message, WeSend can save that information for you as a lead. Lead settings. First, I go to the leads section. Here I can see the lead settings option. This section allows me to automatically save contact details from Instagram direct messages. For example, if I enable save phone number from leads, whenever a user sends their phone number anywhere inside the DM conversation, WeSend can automatically detect it and save it. I can also add an automatic thank you message, so when the phone number is saved, the user receives a short confirmation message. The same thing works for email addresses. If I enable save email from leads, whenever a user sends their email address inside the DM conversation, WeSend can automatically save that email as a lead. This is useful because sometimes the user may send their contact details without you directly asking for them, or maybe you did ask for their phone number or email, but you forgot to manually save it. With this setting, WeSend helps you automatically capture that information. After choosing the settings, I tap Confirm Settings. Now the lead settings have been saved successfully. From now on, if someone sends their phone number or email address inside the Instagram DM conversation, WeSend can automatically save it as a lead. Example, automatic email. Capture inside a chat. Now let's imagine I'm inside an Instagram DM conversation. The conversation may already be happening naturally. The user may be asking about a product, a service, a collaboration, or a partnership. In the middle of the chat, the user might say something like, "This is my email, something@gmail.com. The user may send this because the page admin asked for it. Or maybe the AI assistant connected through WeSend asked the user to share their email. Or maybe nobody asked for it at all. The user may simply send a message like, "I'm interested in your product, this is my email," or "I'd like to collaborate with you. Here is my email." As soon as the user sends their email address, WeSend can automatically detect it and save it as a lead. The same applies to phone numbers. So even if you are not manually managing the conversation at that moment, or even if the user sends their contact details unexpectedly, WeSend helps you keep that information saved. Viewing the saved lead. Now, when I go back to my WeSend panel and open the leads section, I can see the saved lead. For example, here I can see that WeSend has captured the user's information. When I tap on the blue icon, I can see more details about this lead. It shows me the user's Instagram ID, the email address they sent, the time they contacted me, and their latest interaction time. So I can see when this person interacted with my page and what contact information they shared. From here, I can contact them later by email, phone, WhatsApp, or Instagram DM, depending on the information they provided. And if I tap on the Instagram profile button, WeSend opens the Instagram page of the person who contacted me, so I can quickly check who they are and continue the conversation if needed. This is very useful because if someone sends you their email address or phone number, you don't lose it inside hundreds of Instagram messages. WeSend saves it for you automatically. So the leads feature helps you collect, organize, and follow up with people who are interested in your products, services, collaborations, or partnerships. If you'd like to explore different use cases for your own business, whether you run an e-commerce brand, you're a creator, you sell courses, you want to generate more leads, or you work in any other field, go to the tutorial section inside the panel, click on the homepage and watch the tutorials and use cases there.